Vice President Sara Duterte attends the Araw ng Davao celebration and addresses several key issues including her father's detention, her impeachment case, and the 2028 elections. Here's that report.
Vice President Sara Duterte attended a culminating activity of this year's Araw ng Davao celebration over the weekend. The event also coincided with the 81st birthday of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who has been detained at the ICC facility in The Hague for over a year. While the Vice President was unable to personally greet her father, she said she continues to pray for his good health.
Pag Saturdays, pag weekends, walang tawag, no? So, hindi ko siya nag-greet ngayong araw na ito. At matagal na rin siyang hindi tumatawag sa akin. Pero kampante ang loob ko dahil nandun naman si Congressman Paulo Duterte para bumisita sa kanya araw-araw at imasahe siya at meron siyang kausap in Bisaya. Hindi ko alam kung merong mga mini celebration doon sa loob.
The Vice President also thanked those who joined the Araw ng Davao festivities. Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte and other members of the Duterte family were also present. Political allies of the Duterte family also joined the celebration, including former COMELEC Commissioner Rowena Guanzon, Congressman Kiko Barzaga, and Congressman Leandro Leviste. On the issue of impeachment, Vice President Duterte said it is not her priority at this time. She also said that the group of attorney Israelito Torion did not consult her regarding the petition they filed before the Supreme Court in connection with her impeachment.
Hindi sila nag-consult sa akin, no? Kasi hindi ko na iniisip ang impeachment sa panahon ngayon. Iniwan ko na yan lahat sa mga abogado.
The Vice President also said she is not yet focusing on the 2028 elections.
I am a presumptive candidate for the 2028 presidential elections, pero hindi ko pa yon pinagpaplanuhan sa ngayon. Tulad ng impeachment, hindi yan ang prioridad at iniisip ko ngayon. Dahil napakarami sa ating mga kababayan ang nananawagan pa rin ng totoong pagmamahal at serbisyo galing sa ating pamahalaan.
Meanwhile, supporters of former President Rodrigo Duterte held a solidarity walk following his birthday. Participants wore green shirts and called for his return to the country.